Can we all agree that crochet projects are super cute, right? But ruffles make everything better. Literally. So let me show you guys how to make these cute ruffles. So if you're someone who wants to spice up your crochet project with some ruffles, or you're someone who see those viral crochet ruffle hats and you're like, I want to make one of those, this video is definitely for you. I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to make these ruffles. So let's get started. For this specific video, we're going to be using handmade DIY eco-friendly 100% cotton yarn. And I think the brand is Pure Cotton Yarn. And it is sport weight, 50 grams. And then we're going to be using a 3.5 millimeter hook. Okay. So to start your ruffle out, you can chain as much as you want, but for the sake of this video, I am putting this specific ruffle on a project that I'm working on. So for this video, I'm going to chain 64 just so I can have enough to ruffle up, and you'll see what I mean by that. So the first thing you want to do is pull up a slip knot. Okay. Okay. And then you want to chain 64. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move this out of the way. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So for row 1, I want to skip the first 2 chains, and I want to pull up 3 double crochets in the 3rd chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, in the same stitch. And then I just want to repeat that all through each chain that I made. Insert 3 double crochets in each chain. I'll see you guys after you complete 3 double crochets in each chain stitch. Okay, so as you can see, it is like super rickety and it looks like ruffles, but not really. But so the second row will make it look more like ruffles. Okay, so this is how the second row should look. We're going to chain 2, 1, 2, turn your work, and just put 1 double crochet into each stitch that you did in the previous round. So 1 double crochet in each stitch. Just like that. And you want to just do it literally in each stitch that you do. And this will allow the ruffles to be more, I guess, straight, you would say, because right now the round is like kind of curling like that while also forming ruffles. But the second row will allow it to just look like ruffles. So this is the outcome of 2 rows of ruffles. You see, as you can see, it's straighter now. It's not like turning like how it was before. But I guess the more stitches that you put into each stitch or each chain or whatever, the more ruffles you'll get. But this is how you're supposed to do it. And so as far as putting the ruffles onto a project, you just want to make a long enough tail and just put it on there straight like that, and you use a tapestry needle to sew on as much as you want. Here's the final results of these ruffles on these cute bows. But if you'd, rather follow the written pattern for the ruffles and the bows, the link of the pattern is in the description below.